In my last tutorial, I gave you exercise for creating heading 4 paragraph style. I feel overwhelmed by your responses. I am glad that my lessons helped you in your designs, or at least added value to your workflow. So guys, you made it so far. Now, let's work on body text paragraph styles. Body text paragraph styles. In Adobe InDesign, you have lot of styles to deal with, such as headings and subheadings. Usually, they are bolded and enlarged for higher impact. Next, you should learn the body paragraph styles. Body is the one with longer text. That's why it is called a secondary text. InDesign users use different styles for the secondary text. Of course, you can also create your own styles and call it anything you want. I prefer to use body text. You can tweak it the way you want without worrying about how it would affect other styles. With that being said, let's get started. Where to find body paragraph? Before I answer that, keep in mind that Microsoft Word has already built-in text formatting presets. Luckily, Microsoft Word has that preset present right here. So, we can easily apply on the bulk of words inside MS Word. Unfortunately, InDesign does not have that built-in preset. So, if you want any kind of paragraph styles, you need to create it first in the paragraph styles panel. But wait, this is not the end. Actually, it's better like that. Even if InDesign had those presets, users would treat the text in InDesign just like Microsoft Word. I mean, ignoring the styling panel. By the way, basic paragraph styles work the same way like the body paragraph. However, never ever use this style for styling the body paragraph. How to use the body paragraphs? The best way of practicing body paragraph style is to create a mock document. I will develop a layout for a very simple brochure to serve you as an example. You can download this brochure from the description. I showed you earlier in my previous tutorials how to create the styles. If you don't know how to create the styles, check out all the playlists of paragraph styles in my channel. Once I had created the styles, open the styling window and rename it as body text paragraph style. In basic character formats, we can play around with these styles. Since it's a secondary text, we must use smaller text and regular font style. Let's give it letter regular font. Size 12 points. Leading 14 points. Let's go to indents and spacing and choose the left alignment. Let's go to character color. Choose black color. Click OK. Now that you had created body paragraphs, it's time to apply them on the paragraph. Open the paragraph styles panel. Go to Window, Style, Paragraph Style. Shortcut key is F11. Put your cursor on this paragraph, then go to Paragraph Styles panel and click on this body text paragraph. You see, the style visual properties are immediately applied to the text. Now, your page layout should look something like this, the one you can see on my screen. It looks amazing, isn't it? Now, what if you don't want the paragraph to be left aligned? You want it to be center aligned. No worries. Just right click on Body Paragraph Style and choose Edit. Go to Indents and Spacing. Change the alignment to center. Now, if you want to see the changes, check this preview. You see, the paragraph had been center aligned. You can also change the alignment to left justify. Click OK. See, the text had been left justified. You can change the settings anytime. It's fast and super easy. Redefine styles. There's another way of creating paragraph styles that I had not mentioned earlier in my previous tutorials. This is the Redefine Styles option. Keep in mind that you won't find this option anywhere in your InDesign interface. Not even in Paragraph Styles panel. Not even in Master Page Templates panel. Right click on Body Paragraph Style. You won't find it over here as well. Now let's change some text style in this paragraph. I am using this control toolbar to change the font of the text. Let's choose Go Bold Font. Increase the text size to 16 points. Now, this is just for demonstration. You are free to choose whichever font you want that you have installed on your PC. Now, select this portion of the text. Right-click on Body Paragraph Style. You see, Redefine Style option has just appeared right now. Earlier, it wasn't there. This option only appears when you had already made the changes or tweaked some style settings in the paragraph. Do the redefine style. So basically, it changes the attributes of the selected paragraph style to the newly defined style. This will automatically affect all the text that had this style applied to it. Let's revise again. I am using the InDesign document which I had used from the very first tutorial. I had formatted all the styles except this body paragraph. As you can see, in the Paragraph Styles panel, there are 4 heading styles and no body style. Let's create one by clicking on the icon at the bottom of this panel. Right-click on this new paragraph style and choose Edit Paragraph Style. Rename it Body Text. Set these two to no paragraph styles. Then go to Basic Character Format. Let's choose Leto Font Family. Font style Regular. Size 12 points. Body paragraphs are never used in capital letters. That's why choose Normal. Let the leading be 14 points. Let's go to Character Color and choose Black color. Now, let's apply the body style to these paragraphs. Put the cursor on the paragraph over here. Then click Body Style on this Paragraph Style panel. Now, let's do this for all other paragraphs till the end of this document. Because once it is applied, we can change the appearance of all these paragraphs with just one click. Let's say you don't like the spacing of these lines of the text. So, instead of applying individually to every single paragraph, I can simply open the styling window of the body text. Open the body style window, go to basic character format. Then increase the leading from 14 points to 18 points. You see, the spacing between the lines of the entire document changed with a single click. Now, let's say you don't like the alignment of these paragraphs. All you need to do is open the body style once again. Let's place this window over here so that you can see the changes. Go to indents and spacing and change the alignment to left justify. Let's turn off the preview. Now, this is before the changes. Let's turn on the preview. This is after the changes. Click OK. Exercise time. Now that you had learned to create body paragraph styles, I want you guys to use this brochure that you downloaded earlier in this exercise. I want you to create your own body paragraph style and then test them on the provided paragraphs. Use different font family, font style, font size, color, and so on. If you feel stranded, watch this tutorial again and again till you get the solution. Practicing is the key. If you have any questions or you get stuck anywhere, feel free to do so in the comment sections below. Conclusion. After this, you should be able to comprehend how styles function. Of course, if you have any questions or need assistance in developing your design, you can contact me on my email javadsumro1988@gmail.com. You can also drop your message on my Instagram page Javad Studios. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to use body paragraph styles. My next tutorial will be about tabs in Adobe InDesign. So stay tuned. Subscribe my channel now. Your love and support means a lot to me. Like this video and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.